2023-2024 para po sa ating draw number 3147. 11 AM Small Town Lottery Draw. Ginamaga din po muli sa ating
Last
judges
once.
sa ating mga EEC representative. Kami po from
June
PPP
20,
State Office.
2024.
Let's open 11 AM Small Town
Number
Lottery Draw.
31. Parsayan. Thank you, boss.
Okay, the first winning number is the number 22.
Pag-thanks,
Okay,
22.
babalik po muli natin ang bola ng pili para naman po sa ating pangalawang unit. Our second winning number is the number 32. Once again, recapping our 11 AM Small Town Lottery winning combination with the numbers 22 and 32. Okay, congratulations po sa lahat ng winners natin. Dahil papigilman po natin sa ating panel of judges ang ating official draw results and then standby po para sa post.